this beautiful country. I'm supposed to be going to the university, but we might have to drive back. So, yeah. We are stuck. You see the hilly driveway of my street. So we're trying to see if we can clear it. If we can clear it, we're going to leave the car here. That's my student that I'm sponsoring. We're going to leave the car here and walk home. So, Nakachi and I trying to get to the university. With the eyes on the road, the car stopped, up here. So we're clearing it with a shovel. Hopefully we can keep going. So that's the thing. Snowstorm things. Supposed to be going to the university, and Nakachi is driving his car because I can't get my car down the hill of my house. So I met Nakachi down the hill in his Toyota Solara convertible, and we are stuck. So I borrow a shovel from the neighbor, and he is shoveling it so that we can see if we can still make it to the university today. So this is part of my snow chronicles, and let's do off a check. This is what I'm supposed to be wearing to the university today. Nakachi, how is it going? This is the snow life. Okay, so yeah, that's why I usually don't go anywhere when it is snowing. I just mind my business and stay at home. So we are on the hill down my street, and as you can see, we can't go anywhere. So let's do my outfit check. I have this raccoon hat, which actually keeps me warm, and I have this raccoon and phosphor coat, and And can we take a moment and look at my shoes? Yeah. Hopefully we can make it to the university today. God knows how long it will take to make it. So this is one of the offline roads that I thought was gonna be, good, better than my road. And of course we're stuck. Luckily the guy had shovel in his shed, and that's what Nakachi is using to go ahead and clear the road. So I'm gonna give you guys the outfit check. So yeah, this guy stopped and he has snow tires on his car. I think I need to get some snow tires for my car so I won't have to deal with this. So look at how the snow tires are. Can you see? I mean, it's kind of different. I've never seen anything like that. I think I'm gonna start buying snow tires so that I won't have to side off the road or have any problems with the road. Poor Nakachi is like, let me show you all Nakachi. That's Nakachi over there, and the guy with the car with the snow tires, but he doesn't have chains to pull out Nakachi. So we're gonna use his Nakachi shoveling, trying to get out so that we can get to the university. So yeah, I mean, my raccoon hat is keeping me warm. So yeah, this is out there.